Hey guys, this is Deepak here from digitaldeepak.com, and in this video we are going to have a look at what is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a term that you might have heard about before, and if you do not know clearly what affiliate marketing means, then this video will give you a lot of clarity. So before we jump into affiliate marketing strategies and how we can start making money with affiliate marketing, let's have a look at the basics and how affiliate marketing works. So in affiliate marketing, there are three main parties involved. We have product owners, then we have the affiliate marketers or you, and then we have the customers. So these three parties involved in the transaction, what we need is a win-win-win situation. So I would just write it as win-win-win. And this is very important to remember because if there is any single party who is losing in this transaction, then the whole thing will not work long term. So the first party is product owners. And what a product owner does is that they create products. So products can be of different kind. You have software products, that is one kind of product. And then you have digital products. So let's say software. Then you have info products, and then you might have digital products, which are neither software or nor info products but something that can be shared digitally. And then you have physical products, and within physical products you have a lot of categories. We will not go into all the categories, but these are the different products that product owners create. So what the product owner wants is customers. Without customers, the business cannot run. So the product owners do marketing. They do the marketing and they reach out to customers. They try to put their ad message in front of the customers. So when it comes to marketing, they might be doing FB ads, Google ads, SEO and all such things. But one of the biggest problems that product owners have is that the product owners have a marketing team, and building a marketing team is very difficult because marketing team cannot work on commissions. um, Usually they work for a full-time salary. So the marketing team has limited knowledge, limited reach. So the amount of customers that the product owners can get directly is not going to be much, right? So let's say there are 100,000 customers out there, potential customers for a particular product. The marketing team at best can get 25% of these customer base directly through marketing. What about the rest of the 75% of the customer base that is out there? To acquire these 75% customers or at least try to reach out to them, product owners need partners. So that's where the partnership comes in, and you are the affiliate marketer, right? You are the affiliate. And as an affiliate, what you are doing is that you are referring the customer to the product, and because of this referral, the product owner is going to give you money. And this is usually going to be a percentage of the sale. So, in most of the digital products, information products, and software, the affiliate commissions are as high as 50%. So 50% is the total potential that you will have in most of the cases. So what we see here is that if the product is $100, the $100 product is not going to be sold directly by the product owner, and the $100 is not going to the product owners directly. The customer is going to purchase the product, and the product owner gets $50 and you get $50. So that is your affiliate commission, which is 50%. So one of the biggest benefits for product owners is that they get a lot more customers through you. But the most important thing here to note is that the product owners are also spending money on marketing. They have a marketing team and they invest quite a lot of budget within this, even though they cannot get all the customers. So the customers, before purchasing a product, are going to look for a review of that particular product. Like for example, if there is a course, the customer will search on Google what is the review of the course, the course name with review he will search. So if you write a review of a product, then the customer is going to have a look at the review, and within the review you are going to put a link to the product which is your referral, and then you are going to refer the customer to the product. So when you write a review, you are not going to be putting all the efforts in trying to drive traffic to this review, because the customer is already searching for it. And how the customer is already searching for it? Because the marketing team is working hard on trying to spread the name about that particular product. So the marketing team cannot write reviews about their own product, right? They will just do ads, they will do branding, they will do influencer marketing and all that thing. But even if they do all that, they don't get all the customers, because the customers are not going to directly jump in and purchase the product, which is this route, right? They are not going to, do this directly. It will not happen. The customer is going to look for a review. The customer is going to get some assurance that, okay, this is a good company, good product, and then the customer is going to purchase the product. So what is happening here when you create an affiliate marketing strategy around reviews is that you are actually leveraging some of the efforts that the product owner is putting, some of the money that the product owner is investing, and you are still getting the money as a percentage of the sale. And one of the reasons that you are getting the money as the percentage is because you might also be referring some brand new customers to the product, but a good percentage of the customers are going to come because the marketing team has spent so much money in trying to spread the name about the product, and the customer just wants to read a positive review or a feedback before jumping into purchase. And this is something that you might also have experienced yourself, right? If you are looking at a new product, it might be a software, it might be a physical product. So in most of the cases when you look at physical products, you will see the reviews inside Amazon itself, and Amazon is pretty much doing all the physical products related shipment and sales and everything. But right now the software industry is still distributed. You don't have a platform where all the software is selling. You basically have the software individually, and before the customer is going to go ahead and do the purchase, what the customer is going to do is that the customer is going to search on Google to see if there are positive reviews about the product. So here what happens is that you also win, the product owner also wins, and the customer also wins. So it has to be a win-win-win situation, and this is why affiliates who promote products which are not good are actually in the win-lose business, because the customer end up losing. So I do not recommend that you promote products that you don't think that will be useful for the customer. But as long as the product is useful for the customer, you can definitely promote it. So now let's get into affiliate marketing strategies. So this is not just any strategy, right? This is more of a powerful strategy, because the strategy is based on reviews. And when it comes to actually implementing this particular system, one of the simplest ways to get started is to write a review of the product. And once you write a review of the product, publish it on your blog. And once you publish it on your blog, then get it indexed on the Google search engine. So if you have a WordPress blog, then it would be easy for you to go ahead and get it ranked on SEO. And then you can also go ahead and post the links on social media and drive traffic to this blog post. You can drive paid traffic to this particular blog post, and one of the best ways to leverage paid advertising is to drive traffic to the blog post where you have written the review, not the direct affiliate link. Because if you drive traffic to the direct affiliate link, which is the third point I have mentioned here, a lot of platforms will not allow you to promote affiliate links directly. They would say that you promote your own website but not the affiliate links, because sometimes affiliate links can be spammy for platforms like Facebook, for platforms like Quora, or wherever you are trying to drive the paid traffic from. So that is one method, and you can also drive traffic to the blog post via your community, and the community can be through the webinars, through email, through your group. It could be on Telegram, it could be on Facebook. So whatever it is, when you tell your community that you recommend a particular product, they are more likely to purchase that product. What you can do on top of this is to do a review video. So if you can, like, review a particular software using screencast, and tell people on how to use it, you can do a review video, you post it on YouTube. And YouTube is the number 2 search engine in the world, right after Google. And one of the reasons it is the number 2 search engine is because people search for video content directly. Yahoo or Bing is not the second biggest search engine. YouTube is the second biggest search engine. So Google basically owns the number 1 and the number 2 spot on the search engine thing. So you can also rank this particular video inside YouTube by learning a little bit of YouTube SEO. And then if it ranks well on YouTube, you can also go ahead and embed this particular video inside your blog, which is going to boost your YouTube video and help you rank your blog higher as well. So the blog will help the YouTube video, and the YouTube video will help the blog. And this is something that we talked about, driving traffic directly to the affiliate links. Not completely recommended, but this is more of an advanced strategy. In certain networks it is possible to make money very fast even without writing a review, but I would recommend that you start with writing reviews. And then you can create a digital product and give 50% affiliate commission, where you are the product creator. And this could be a very good money making method for you, because you will have an army of affiliates who will promote for you through all these channels. So if you have a strong affiliate program, then you don't need much of a digital marketing expense yourself, because you will have affiliates going ahead and sending the customers to you. So this is affiliate marketing in a nutshell. And obviously all these strategies are something that we can go on and on about. It has to be separate videos in itself. Sometimes we can create a separate course on itself. That's how much information there is. For example, just the affiliate marketing strategy of writing reviews can have several modules where we talk about SEO, how to promote on social media, how to promote on paid traffic. And within paid traffic we can talk about Google ads, Facebook ads. Within social media we can talk about Instagram and Facebook groups, and within community. So there are so many things to talk about. And obviously this particular video is just a short video to make you understand what affiliate marketing is, and how affiliate marketing works, and what are the different strategies that you can use. And our strategy is based on reviews, right? So the review method is the best method to go ahead and do affiliate marketing in a way that it is going to scale very very fast. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked this whiteboard illustration video to learn what affiliate marketing is. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.